Rutland braided fiberglass gasketing is engineered to provide superior sealing, protection, and longevity. Additionally, Rutland's industrial-grade gaskets feature 3M adhesive technology, enabling the gaskets to endure more than 5 clean burns. The kits are compatible with Big Green Egg and most other smokers. The kits come in 2 sizes, 12 feet and 17 feet. These size allowances include bonus material to gasket the chimney cap as well. Current gaskets are only good for 1 clean burn cycle. Ours lasts 5+ clean burn cycles. Ours provides tighter seal, thus ensuring maximum performance from your smoker. Rutland's premium self-adhesive fiberglass replacement gasket, good for any Big Green Egg, barbecue, or smoker. Our gasket is a braided fiberglass gasket that utilizes 3M adhesive technology, creating an airtight seal to ensure smoke does not escape during the cooking process. It can withstand at least 5 self-clean cycles with temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. This gasket is designed to be more durable and last longer than other gaskets available. Before installing, ensure that the old gasket is removed and all debris has been cleared from the rims. Remove the top dome for easier application. Ensuring the rim is clean is extremely important because the bond strength of the adhesive depends on the adhesive to surface contact and how much pressure is applied. Clean rim plus hard pressure equals ultimate bond strength plus. To cut, ensure that you're using sharp scissors to reduce any damage to the woven material. Do not pre-cut the gasket to size, as the amount needed varies on how tight you pull the gasket when applying. You don't want to pull too tight as the gasket will become too narrow and will not seat fully on the rim. Naturally guide the gasket around the rim of the grill, lining it up with the inside diameter. When you get all the way around, cut a matching 45-degree angle to match the first cut for a clean finish. Repeat the steps for the top dome, reassemble, and close the lid for 2 hours.